feel so slow. You actually need to use glue. Why did I think it just sticks? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pabi. If you are here for the very first time, kindly do hit that subscribe button, just to help me grow my channel and stuff. But anyway, in today's video, I've been dying to do this project for, actually I haven't been dying, but I've just been putting it off for the longest time, and finally I decided to go out and to go buy some art supplies so that I can create these abstract canvas art. Yeah, this abstract canvas art, that's what we're gonna call it. Anyway, so I made a stop by the mall. I actually started off at P&A, and that's where I got my canvas. And then I also bought some gold leaf, and you'll see what I'm gonna do with this gold leaf. I hope it comes out as I hope it will. And then I went to Builder's Warehouse to get some polyfiller. There was quite a variety to choose from, and then I got my scraper, and also I think it's also called a scraper, but it's for tiles. They also call it it's a scraper, I think. So I got that as well at Builder's Warehouse, and then I was ready to go, and this is what we are working with. So I got back home, and one thing that I need to tell you about this project is that I had so much fun. It was in fact quite therapeutic. I don't know, for some odd reason, like it really was therapeutic creating this. So played around with some polyfiller onto the canvas and created this beautiful abstract art. Hi guys, so it's day 2 of the DIY project. But first, before we continue, I just wanted to quickly show you guys how cute I look. Anyway, I just got back home from a work event. So we're having like a Women's Day celebration event type thing. And the theme was all black, and we had to wear a duke, aka a head wrap. And I was not really feeling like wearing a duke in the traditional sense. So I decided to make my own headband. So if you haven't seen my YouTube short, please do check it out and see how I made this. It was super easy. Like, I don't even think it took me 15 minutes. It was very simple, and I love how cute it looks. And here are some pictures of how cute I looked, but that's not what today's video is about. I'm about to show you what our canvas is looking like. It's so pretty, like it looks beautiful as is. I just want to add some gold just to elevate it a bit, but if you are going to recreate it and you want to keep it as is, perfect. Let me show you. This is what we're working with. Are you as excited as I am? Guys, this really looks beautiful. It's all dry. So I basically let it dry for, I want to say, over 24 hours, and I think it's safe to play around. Oh, I've actually also seen people paint it with acrylic paint. So if you want some color onto yours, you can totally play around with some acrylic paint. I've seen it and it looks good. But for me, I am planning on adding some gold accents. So I'll be using some gold leaf. I've never really worked with gold leaf, so it will be my first time, and we're gonna try that out together. Let me actually not waste time. Let's get into it. I don't see instructions on this, so I don't know how we're gonna do this. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what? Let me watch a tutorial. I feel so slow. You actually need to use glue. Why did I think it just sticks? I'm gonna use Mod Podge. I think I still have. I'm gonna use Mod Podge to stick the glue leaf, no, the gold leaf onto the art. So be right back. So I'm just gonna apply some of it like randomly. I don't know why I thought it just sticks to surfaces like for no good reason. I don't know. I thought that's what it does. That's what makes it special, but I guess it's true. If you are experienced in working with gold leaf, let me know in the comments if this is the way to go, and if it will last long like this, or whatever advice you have for me. So yeah, I guess we're learning together.